Hello students, once again welcome to the LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Let's start with the course Mathematics 1 and chapter is Fourier series, and today's topic in this chapter is Fourier series for continuous function with period 2 pi. So before starting this topic, in this topic we have to just directly we will take example. And before taking example, we will have a look on the Fourier series for continuous function with period 2L, that means formula of Fourier series as we have discussed in previous lecture. Same formula, just we have to take a look on this formula as f of x is given with interval c to c plus 2l. Then Fourier series for f of x is given by this formula f of x, and for that we have to find the value of a0, an and bn. To find the value of a0 and bn, a0, an and bn, we have these prerequisite formulas as we have discussed in previous lecture. And here I am going to tell you that number 1, 2, 3, 4 and this 5 are most important formula for each and every example. You will see that we will use this 5 formula maximum in each and every example. Okay, and we have this formula 6, 7, 8, 9, and as I told, we will use this 6 and 7 when f of x function is e raised to ax, and 7 and 8 when function f of x is in trigonometry sine and cos. And we have this formula 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. And as I told, this is the most important formula which also we will use in each and every example, and this two formula is also maximally we will use. So total we have that 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This 9 formula is a very frequently we will use. Okay, all the 17 are most important, but this 9 we will use frequently. Okay, so let's start with the very first example of Fourier series. So pay more attention. If you understand the step of the example, in first example, then all followed example will be so easy for you. Okay, so example is find Fourier series of f of x is equal to x square in the interval 0 to 2 pi, and hence prove that pi square by 12 is equal to this. Okay, so before starting example, before starting the solution, as I told, we will compare the given interval with our original formulas interval, that means with c and c plus 2l. So before starting any example of Fourier series, always we have to compare given interval of the example with c and c plus 2l. So c is 0, I'm just writing down c is 0, and c plus 2l is equal to 2 pi. So 0 plus 2l is equal to 2 pi. By cancel out this 2, we have L is equal to pi. So throughout in this example, we will use L is equal to pi. And as I told, in general formula of Fourier series, we have angle n pi x by L. And here we have find L, n pi x by L is pi, so pi cancel out, so we have angle nx. So in this example we will use angle nx. So before starting example, you have to do this rough work. Okay, in every example of Fourier series, use this rough work and find the value of L and find angle, then write down the formula of Fourier series is given by f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity into the bracket an cos nx. Why nx? Because as I told, n pi x by L is our general angle. But after getting L for this given example, because here period is 2L, so we have L is equal to pi, Pi cancel out and angle will be nx. So here nx, similar way here nx. So in this entire example, we will use angle nx. So now first start with the a0. So where a0 is given by, what was the formula? 1 by L, and we have L is equal to pi, so we will use 1 by pi integration. Interval is 0 to 2 pi, because in formula it is given c to c plus 2l, but we have c is 0 and c plus 2l is 2 pi. So 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. Now substitute the value of f of x, which is x square. So we have in 1 by pi as it is, integration as it is, and value of x square, the value of f of x, which is x square. Now we know the integration of x square is given by, from the prerequisite formula, x cube by 3. So 1 by pi as it is, integration of x square is x cube by 3, and we know the limit comes at the end of this integration. Now upper limit minus lower limit. Whenever we will put upper limit then lower limit, always we are using curly bracket. So 1 by pi into curly bracket, that means bigger than this box bracket. So curly bracket, upper limit 2 pi instead of this x. So 2 pi whole cube divided by 3 as it is, minus lower limit, that means 0 upon 3 is 0. Now by simplifying this, we know that 2 pi whole cube gives us 2 cube, that means 8, pi cube, that means pi cube, and divided by 3. So we have 1 by pi, 8 pi cube by 3. By cancel out, get this pi with pi cube, remaining answer is, we have, just writing down this again, we have this 2. So we have 8 pi square by 3. This is our value of a0. So simple, ekdam easy. Okay, so now we will start with the formula an. Now, what is the formula for an? What was the formula for an? 1 by L, but we know that L is our pi, and interval is 0 to 2 pi. F of x cos nx. As I told, we have find the angle nx, so we will use nx, not n pi x by L, because here L, we have original angle is n pi x by L, but we have L is pi, so pi write down and pi cancel, so we have nx. Now we will put the value of f of x. So 1 by pi as it is, integration as it is, and value of f of x is x square and cos nx as it is. Now here we will use that integration by parts, but as I told, which formula is more easier than integration by parts? Yes, Bernoulli integration. So we will use Bernoulli integration, and this is our u and this is our v. Always f of x is your u and this is v. Other than that, e raised to n sine cos function. Okay, so let's start how we will apply Bernoulli in this. So first, x square as it is, integration of cos nx is sine nx divided by n, coefficient of n we will take in the denominator, minus differentiation of x square. Differentiation of x square is 2x, and again integration of sine. We know that integration of sine is minus cos nx and divided by n, and this n is there, so n into n is n square. Now plus differentiation of 2x is 2, and again integration of this term, so minus carry forward, and integration of cos nx is sine nx by n, and n square into n gives us n cube. Okay, and after this differentiation of 2 will be 0, so no need to write down for the step. So one more time I am just again explaining this Bernoulli integration. So first x square as it is, integration of second, that means integration of this. Now differentiation of x square, differentiation of x square. In first bracket we will differentiate this x square, x, okay, 2x and 2, and plus minus plus as I told. And now integration of second term, integration of cos nx is sin nx by n, again integration of sin is minus cos nx by n, and this n multiply with n, so n square. Again integration of this term, so minus carry forward in that bracket only, and integration of cos nx is sin nx by n, so n square into n is n cube, so we have this. Okay, now uh, here my method is different from other faculty, that I am just taking this minus outside from this bracket, then I am applying this upper limit minus lower limit. So we will add here one more step, that 1 by pi, entire step is same but just minus comes out, so minus and minus become plus, so no need to write down minus because minus minus plus, and here this minus and this plus become minus. Other than that, there is no change. X square as it is, this sin nx by n as it is, this 2x as it is, this cos nx by n square as it is, because this minus minus become plus, this 2 as it is, and this sin nx by n cube as it is, and this plus minus becomes minus. Okay, now we will put upper limit minus lower limit. So have a look and pay more attention. If you will get this an, then bn is same way you will get by yourself. So 1 by pi, as I told, whenever we will apply upper limit and minus lower limit, use curly bracket. So curly bracket, this box as it is, box bracket as it is. Now we will put 2 pi instead of x. So if we put 2 pi, before putting this in x square, we will put in sine this term, because we know the value of these three: sine 0 0, sine n pi 0, sine 2n pi 0, cos 0 1, cos n pi minus 1 raised to n, and cos 2n pi is 1. Okay, I am writing down one more time: sine 0, sine n pi, and sine 2n pi gives all these three value is 0. So first we will put this 2 pi instead of this x. We have sine n 2 pi. We have sine n 2 pi. That means sine 2n pi, and we know that sine 2n pi is 0. So this term is 0. So 0 into anything, this entire term is 0. So this is 0. Okay. Now this plus as it is. Now if we put 2 pi here, so 2 into 2 pi, that is 4 pi. And if we put 2 pi here, so we have cos n 2 pi. That means we can write cos 2n pi, and as we know the formula, cos 2n pi is 1. So we have this 1 and n square as it is, so 1 by n square. And again if we put this 2 pi in this x, so sine n 2 pi, sine 2n pi is 0, so this term is 0 and minus as it is. 0 into anything will be 0. So as I told, you have to remind all that basic formula, and you can find this list of Fourier series formula and this prerequisite formula in description also. Okay, so download it, get print out and keep with you so you can check easily. Now we will put lower limit, so minus, and again start bracket, and if we put 0 here 0 into n will be 0, and sine 0 is 0, so 0 into anything is 0, so this term is 0, is plus as it is. Now if we put 0 in this cos, so 0 into n is 0 and cos 0 is 1, we know that, but we put this 0 here, so 2 into 0 is 0, so either of this term is 0, this 0 or this 0, multiplication always 0, so this is also 0, and again same sine n into 0, so 0, so we have 0. So this is our upper limit minus lower limit. Use pen and pencil so you will understand better. Okay, now just open the bracket, box bracket only. Okay, so curly bracket as it is, and if we open the box bracket, so we have the 0 0 0 0 all cancel, no need to write down, and we have the multiplication of 4 pi into 1 by n square, that means 4 pi by n square. After cancel out this pi, we have final answer 4 by n square. So this is our value of an. So easy, and as I told, we will use most first five formula. If you have a printout, then you can see first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and 11 number formula, that value of sine and cos, and 16, 17 formula maximum. Okay, now we will start Bn. So Bn is equal to 1 by L, and L we know that pi, so we will write directly 1 by pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x into sine nx. By nx, as I already tell you that we have a general angle n pi x by L. We have L is pi for this example, pi cancel, and we have nx. So here you have one question in your mind, sir. L may be different from pi. Yes. So L depend on given interval. So in each and every example, you have to find first L, then find angle, then start our example. So here we have sine nx. Now we'll put the value of f of x. So in 1 by pi as it is, integration as it is, and sine as it is, just value of f of x is x square. Now again here we will apply Bernoulli integration formula. And what is the Bernoulli integration formula? That u as it is, integration of v, and then differentiation of u and integration of v, and in between this term plus minus and so on. So here we have Bernoulli integration formula. X square as it is, integration of sine nx is minus cos nx divided by n, minus differentiation of x square is 2x, and again integration of this term here. So minus carry forward, n is also carry forward, and integration of cos nx only we have to think. So integration of cos nx is sine nx by n, and this n, so n square. Again differentiation of 2x is 2, and again integration of this, so minus carry forward, see, minus carry forward, this n square is also carry forward, and integration of sine nx, integration of sine nx is minus cos nx by n. Okay, so this minus cancel out, this minus plus, and this n comes to the denominator, so n cube. Okay, so how we find this plus, you have this clear idea. Okay, now as I told in previous an, I am taking this minus outside, this minus outside. Here there is no minus, and I am writing one more step. So minus comes out here, minus, this minus and this minus become plus, and this is already plus. Now we will apply upper limit, that means 2 pi, then minus lower limit. So first we will put 2 pi instead of x, but in, as I told, sine and cos, so we can understand that which term becomes 0 directly. So if we put 2 pi here, this becomes cos n 2 pi, and cos n 2 pi is, you can find your Xerox, 1. So we have 1 by n. So we have to put 2 pi here also. So 2 pi whole square is 4 pi square. Similarly, if we put 2 pi here, so sine n 2 pi, and it is 0, so this term will be 0. And if we put 2 pi here, we have cos 2n pi, cos 2n pi is 1, 1 by n given 2 as it is. So we have upper limit minus lower limit. Have a look one more time. I am explaining this. First we are going to put 2 pi. So 2 pi whole square is 4 pi square, is minus as it is. If we put 2 pi here, so cos 2n pi is 1, and as it is. If we put 2 pi here, sine 2n pi, and sine 2n pi is 0, so 0 into this term is 0, plus as it is, 2 as it is, and if we put 2 pi here, so cos n 2 pi is 1, 1 by n, minus, now we'll put lower limit. So 0 if we put here, so n into 0 is 0, and cos 0 is 1. But if we put this 0 here, 0 square is 0, 0 into this is 0. So first term is 0. In second term is sine, and we know that sine 0 is 0. And in third term, if you put 0 here, cos 0 is 1. But here no x, so 2 as it is. And this 0, cos 0 is 1 by n cube. Now just opening this box bracket, we will get this step, curly bracket, minus 4 pi square by n plus 2 by n cube. And if we open this bracket, so minus multiply with each and every term, but this is 0, so no need to check. Just minus multiply with this plus, so plus minus minus 2 into 1 is 2 and by n cube. Here we can see that this 2 term will be cancelled out, and final we have remaining 1 by pi minus 4 pi square by n, and then we can cancel this pi, so we have final answer of Bn will be minus 4 pi by n. Okay, so cancel out, remaining term is this, by pi cancel out, and we have minus 4 pi by n. This is our Bn. So after getting the value of a0, a and bn, we will put this value in equation 1, that means in Fourier series. So I am writing down just a0 as we have find, and an we also obtained this, and from equation number 1, that means from the Fourier series, we will put the value of a0, a and bn. So a0 by 2, so this is a0 by 2, 1 by 2 plus sigma an, which is already we obtained cos nx as it is plus bn, we have the value of bn, and sin nx as it is. Now just we have to simplify, simple, and by after getting simplification, by cancel out this, we have 4 pi square by 3, and apply sigma to this first term and again apply sigma to second term. When we apply sigma to first term, we will take constant outside. So the 4 is constant because sigma is for n and this 4 is constant. So 4 outside, sigma as it is, and we have cos nx divided by n square. Similar way, if we give sigma to this term, so which term is constant? So minus outside and 4 pi outside. So we have sigma sin nx divided by n. Okay. Now again we can simplify by putting the value of n in this term. We have this 4 pi square by 3 as it is, this plus 4 as it is, and 1 by 1 we will put the value of n, and this n is running from 1 to infinity. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to infinite, but we will put only startings 3 or 4 values. So if we put n is equal to 1, so cos 1x, that means x by 1 square, so this is cos x by 1 square. If we put 2, so cos 2x by 2 square, cos 3x by 3, this is x, not pi. So we don't have the value of cos 2x, cos 3x, just we have to replace only value of n. Similar way, minus 4 pi as it is, and if we put the value of n, sin x by 1, sin 2x by 2, sin 3x by 3, and sigma, that means summation, summation, summation. So this is our Fourier series for the function f of x in the given interval 0 to 2 pi. Now after getting this series, we have in question hence deduce that this, we have to prove this. Pi square by 12 is equal to 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus so on. How we will get this? So we know the interval of this question is given this 0 to 2 pi. If we use x is equal to 0 in this, if we put x equal to 0, so this term is 0 and this each and every term will be 0. Why? Because if we put x equal to 0, sin 0, 0, this 0, sin 0, 0, 0. And if we put 0 here, then we will get cos 0, 1, cos 0, 1, cos 0, 1. So each and every term will be plus. And here we require alternate sign. So no x equal to 0 is not possible. Similar way, x equal to 2 pi is also not possible. So we will take in between top point 0 and 2 pi. So this is our interval 0 to 2 pi. There is pi in between this. So we will use x is equal to pi. So putting x is equal to pi, we have pi square. This as it is, as I told, sin pi, sin 2 pi, sin 3 pi, all are term 0. So this term entirely 0. And cos pi is sin 2 pi, cos 3 pi, plus 4. So we know the value of, we can take this term on the left hand side. So minus of this equal to 4 as it is, and cos pi is minus, cos 2 pi is plus, cos 3 pi is again minus 1, and so on, because we know that cos odd pi is minus 1, cos even pi is 1. Now we can take minus outside and we will take LCM. LCM is 3, multiply 3 to here. We have 3 pi square minus 4 pi square is minus pi square by 3, and if we take minus outside, so minus become plus, plus become minus, minus become plus, plus become minus, and we can cancel out this minus from the both side and take 4 to the left hand side. So 4 multiply with the 3. So we have pi square by 12, 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus so on. This is our final proof, final example. Okay, so this is the Fourier series, how we can apply for the function f of x for the given interval. We have one more example, and you have to just observe how the step is going to repeat again and again, same to same. So let's start with the next example. Let's start with the one more example. Find Fourier series expansion of the periodic function f of x is equal to x minus x square in the interval minus pi less equal to x less equal to pi. So, and hence we have to prove this pi square by 12. This will be different, okay, in each and every example. Here same, but no need to same in each and every example. So before starting example, as I told, first we will start with the c and c plus 2l. So we have c is equal to this minus pi, starting in the limit of interval minus pi, and c plus 2l is equal to this end of this interval pi. So value of c is minus pi. If we put here minus pi plus 2l is equal to pi, so we have 2l is equal to this minus, if we take on the right hand side, so pi this as it is, and this minus become plus pi, so we have 2 pi, so 2l is equal to 2 pi, by cancel out 2, we have l is equal to pi. So in this example we have same l is equal to pi. As I told, after getting l, we will find the angle n pi x by l. As we have n pi x by l is our pi, by cancel out pi we have angle nx. So in this example we will use angle nx and l pi. This is our rough work, no need to show in example. That means in examination no need to show this your work, this is extra work. So the Fourier series is given by f of x is equal to a0 by 2 sigma plus summation n running from 1 to infinity in bracket an cos nx plus bn sin nx, as I told, by nx. Okay, now let's start with the a0. A0 is 1 by pi, because l is our pi. Original formula is 1 by l and l is pi. Integration minus pi to pi, because this time we have interval minus pi to pi. F of x dx. Now we will put the value of f of x, which is x minus x square. This is given in the question, x minus x square, and integration as it is and 1 by pi as it is. Now we have to integrate this. So by integration of x is x square by 2, integration of x square is x cube by 3, and in limit minus pi to pi. As I told, whenever we are putting upper limit and lower limit, we will use curly bracket. So we have 1 by pi as it is. In curly bracket, upper limit, first bracket upper limit, minus second bracket lower limit. So if we put pi, so pi square by 2 minus pi cube by 3, minus, if we put minus pi, so minus pi whole square. So minus pi whole square, and this power is even, so the minus square is plus and pi square is pi square. So pi square by 2. and minus pi whole cube. That's minus pi whole cube. So minus cube is minus and pi cube is pi cube. So we have minus pi cube and this minus is already there. So minus minus plus. So how this plus comes? Okay, by putting minus pi here. Now we will expand this bracket. So we have this step 1 by pi. Just I am writing down again that step. After opening this bracket, first term as it is, second term as it is. If we open this box bracket, minus multiply with these two terms, so first term is also minus and this second term minus plus is also minus. Now which term is cancel out? Pi square by 2 plus and pi square by 2 minus. So we have 2 time minus minus, so minus 2 time pi cube by 3. By cancel out this with cube we have 2. So we have 2 pi square by 3. This is our A0. Simple, same as previous example, but here limit is only different, minus pi to pi. Now we start with an 1 by pi because L is pi. That's why this L is pi. Integration minus pi to pi f of x cos nx y nx because we have finite angle. So you have to keep 1 to 3 point in your mind that always put L whatever we find before starting example and angle as we have find as starting of the example. Now put the value of f of x. So we have x minus x square cos nx as it is. Now we will apply Bernoulli integration. Yes, there you are. So Bernoulli integration, first u as it is, integration of cos nx is sin nx by n minus differentiation of this x minus x square. So differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of x square is 2x and integration of this sin nx is minus cos nx by n and this multiply n, so n square. Now plus differentiation of this. So differentiation of 1 constant is 0 and differentiation of this x is 1. So we have minus 2. This is minus 2. As I told, the 9 formula, okay, out of the 17 formula, maximum use. Now integration of this term is that minus carry forward, this minus carry forward and integration of cos nx is sin nx by 3. So n square into n is n cube. Now as I told, in each example, in every example, I am taking minus outside first and writing down same step. So here there is no minus. You cannot take this minus outside because this is a one term. That's why. Okay. So take minus and minus plus. So this becomes plus. So minus remove from here. Now this minus and this minus is plus and plus plus plus. So this plus and we remove this minus from here. Now we will apply upper limit minus lower limit. So once again we write down the formula one more time, that previous term here only. Now we will apply upper limit minus lower limit. So this is first bracket is upper limit minus this bracket is for lower limit. So if we put pi, so here pi gives sin n into pi, sin n pi, and we know that the value of sin n pi is 0. So this entire term is 0. Similar way, if we put pi here, cos n pi, and we know the value of cos n pi is, as I given in the prerequisite formula, minus 1 raised to n. So we have to put as it is, minus 1 raised to n, divided by n square as it is, and put pi here. So we have 1 minus 2 pi. And if we put here in sign, so it is 0. Similar way, minus pi. So if we put here minus pi, so we will get like this, sin n into minus pi. And I have given one formula that my sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So see minus outside and we have sine n pi, and we know the sine n pi is 0. So it is 0, minus 0. No, not make sense. Okay, so it is 0. So this sine term is 0. Again this sine term is also 0. and if we put minus here in cos, so cos of n into minus pi, as I told, cos of minus theta is cos theta, that means cos is even function, so minus swelling, so minus cancel out, so sine cos n pi, and we know the value of cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n, so this minus 1 raised to n as it is, and if we put minus pi here, so minus minus plus, so we have 1 plus 2 pi. Now open the bracket, so we have only these two terms. This entire term has a plus sign here, but after opening this bracket, minus plus is minus. Okay. Now we can take this term common. Sorry, we can take this term common. So 1 by pi and minus 1 raised to n by n square. We have to take minus 1 raised to n as it is throughout example. Okay. Now we have remaining term 1 minus 2 pi and minus of these two. So minus 1 minus 2 pi. By cancel out this 1 and minus 1, we have minus 2 pi minus 2 pi is minus 4 pi. Cancel out pi, we have final answer minus 4 into minus 1 raised to n by n square. You can multiply this minus with this term. So you can write 4 into minus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n square also. But no need to write down. Okay, we can put as it is. So this is our an. Now similar we can start bn. Just changes only sign instead of cos. So value of f of x, we will apply Bernoulli integration formula, u as it is. Integration of sin nx is minus cos nx by n, then minus differentiation of 1 x minus x square is 1 minus 2x, again integration of this term, so minus carry forward this one, minus carry forward from here, and integration of cos nx is sin nx by n, so this n square, and this minus and plus, differentiation of this 1 minus 2x is minus 2, again integration of this term is, so minus carry forward, but integration of sine is minus, so minus minus plus over here, and cos nx by n, and this n square, so n cube. Now as I told, just we take minus outside from this bracket, so we have minus here, this minus and minus become plus, and this minus plus become minus, so we have this step. Okay, this as it is from the previous slide, so minus outside, the minus minus plus, and this plus minus minus. Now upper limit minus lower limit, so this first bracket for upper limit minus second bracket for the lower limit. As we put pi here, so pi minus pi square and cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n, and this sum sin n pi is 0, again 2 as it is, cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n, and cube as it is. If you put minus, so this x become minus pi, this minus as it is, this minus is for lower limit, and this minus pi square is pi square, so this minus is as it is, sine term is 0, cos of n into minus pi, as we do discuss that, cos minus theta is cos theta, so same. Now by expanding this box, so first term as it is, second term this as it is, and after opening this box bracket, this minus minus become plus, so this is plus, and this bracket is as it is, and this bracket is also as it is, again this minus come with this term, so minus minus plus, because we are opening the box bracket, so this minus outside is minus, apply to each and every term. This is one term, so apply only outside this term here, and this is second term, so apply here. So this you can see here, this is minus and this plus cancel out, but these two term cannot be cancelled out because here minus pi and this is pi, so not same. Just we have to take minus 1 raised to n by n common. So this is outside, so we have this minus of these two, so minus, and this is plus, and plus with these two, so these both are minus. Pi square minus pi square cancel out, minus 2 pi, pi cancel out and we have minus 2 into this. So we have Bn. Now just write down the value of A0, An and Bn from we previously obtained, and from equation 1 Fourier series is value of A0, An and Bn, as we have discussed, to cancel out minus pi square by 3 and sigma give to these two different term. So sigma of this term and sigma of this term, you can take minus out 4 outside, here minus 2 outside, and applying the limit of sigma 1, 2, 3, and for this sign 1, 2, 3, we have this, and this is our final answer of Fourier series. Now we want to prove this pi square by 2. For that, what we have to put the value of x. Here we need 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. No need 1, 2, 3. So we have to keep one thing in our mind, that where the value of sign becomes 0. So we will take x is equal to 0 as we have discussed, and 0, so this is 0, this is 0, so 0, minus pi square by 3, minus 4 as it is, all sine 0, 0, cos 0, 1, cos 0, 1, cos 0, so 1, so we have 1, minus 1 by 1 square, plus 1 by 2 square, minus 1 by 3 square, and so on. If you take minus common, so this minus become here plus, and if you take this term to the left hand side, so minus become plus. Now 4 to the left hand side in denominator, and we have this our final answer. Now same way we have this DIY. This is your practice example, do it yourself, and if you have still you have query, then rewind this video and again observe the step of example number 1, example number 2, then start this DIY. So after solving this DIY, you will get better understand, and if you don't solve this example, the next lecture is little bit quite difficult for you. Okay, because when we are going with the next lecture, some examples and some difficulties are there, so you have to compulsory solve this example. Always use note and pen. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. We will see you soon with the next lecture and with next topic. Thank you.